What's going on, guys, and welcome to the vlog. Right now we're here in Kiev. We're here in Vladimirsky Park. We're just next to Khreshatyk Street, and unfortunately our weather is a little bit harsh and the visibility is a little bit low.
So we prepared something for you. We're going to show you a new restaurant here in Khreshatyk. It was opened only this year. It's very unique,
Very delicious.
and most important, it's very cheap.
Yeah, it's very cheap, guys, so stay tuned. But we'll make some b-roll of the city a little bit just for you to see. Check it out. Alright, guys, right now I'm on the beautiful and popular Oceanic Street. They're very famous on their shopping, nightlife, and there's full of bars and restaurants around. But the most important thing for me, they have coffee stall every 10 meters, guys. But now it's time to go to my favorite restaurant. Let's go. Right now we're here in Belina Leaf. It's along Khreshatyk area, guys. And it's time to order. It's time to taste their food. Yeah. Alright, guys, the food is here. And we ordered 2 hot dogs. But don't get me wrong, guys, this is not your normal hot dog because as you can see inside we have some apple, caramelized apple crunch. Okay, that's the game changer. And also we have oysters fresh from Odessa. And last but not least, we have 2 cider beers, 7% alcohol, baby. Alright, guys, that's why this restaurant is getting very popular, because everything is cheap and everything is 29 hryvnias, which is €1. So first, we will try the hot dog, guys. First bite, big bite. Oh, check it out. Big bite. The crunch give us different for the taste, guys. The apple crunch, game changer, like what I said. Alright guys, it's time for the oyster. The meat just slides, man. So fresh, guys. I hope you're here to taste it there. So good, guys. Everything ingredients of this restaurant consists of apples except for the fresh oysters, guys. And this place is so new. It's just a year ago only they established, but they're boom so popular, guys.
What you did?
Guys, I got one more. Ooh, so good. Guys, this is our last stop for today's vlog. Right now we're here in the Roshen chocolate factory, and it's owned by their very own president, Poroshenko. Guys, if you're sweet tooth like my wife, you have to, guys. You just have to.
Alright guys, I got my chocolate here. And I really hope that you like the video. Please like and subscribe and share with your friends. And always remember that the life is a beautiful ride.
So explore, meet, and eat. And guys, see you on the next vlog. Enjoy your holidays.